Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another video. I missed you guys. I hope you missed me too. Today is day 2 or episode 2 of our 100k trading challenge with the Forex Funder. Now, we started off this challenge to try and see if they're legit or not, but we also ran into some interesting situations while trading. So if you haven't seen episode 1 already, make sure to check that out. Anyways, it's episode 2 or day 2, but it doesn't mean that I'm actually trading the next day. It just means that this is my second day of taking another trade. Now, I want to explain that to you guys only because some of the videos that you guys watch online shows the person trading day after day after day. And yes, while some people do that, you don't have to. And I'm living proof. When I show you guys my metrics, you'll be able to see that sometimes I wait 2, 3, sometimes even 5 days before I take my next trade. Why? We're not trying to take trades that we think are going to go in our direction or win. We're taking trades that we backtested and practiced, trades that we have proved that work for us. So that's what we're doing in this challenge. We're practicing good psychology and good risk management and habits. So I'm not going to yap anymore or waste any more of your time. Let's just get straight into this video and see if we can catch another trade. All right, so as you guys can see, our trade setup is forming. I think I'm going to draw a quick fair value gap here just so you guys can see what I'm looking at. And as you can see, there's an inversion gap that lines up with the fair value gap that's currently forming. So let me move my entry right there. And let me go ahead and adjust my take profit. 1:2. Perfect, right there. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and enter a trade. Let me open the menu. All right, so we have 39 lots. Let me go ahead and put 39 lots in there. And let's copy the stop loss. Let's add that in there. Let's get the entry. And let's add that in. Oh gosh, market execution pending order. All right. All right, so I'm looking to get in, and we just have to be, patient, let our trades go. One of the things that I try my best to illustrate or demonstrate during these challenges is trade psychology. Because if you practice good trade psychology, you will become a much better trader. And I want you guys to see it in real time, how I'm feeling and things like that. Wait a minute. I think I'm actually not following my trade setup correctly because price technically actually hasn't broken this level. So I'm going to close that. The level up here hasn't been broken yet. You need price to break above this, I guess this candle wick, before you can get into the trade. So I'm going to set everything up again and prepare myself to enter when it's done. All right. So now we play the waiting game. We play the waiting game. I think I quoted this before, but I have a quote on my phone that says trading is 1 setup, 90% waiting, and 100% confidence. True words were never spoken. All right. So we're waiting for the trade to hit our entry price level and then get in. And I just want to walk you guys through my emotions during this because sometimes, it's so easy to look cool, calm, and collected while these things are happening, but sometimes internally you're freaking out a little bit. So I'm going to be patient and be a little bit quiet, and then we'll see what happens. We're in, just got tagged in. This is the challenging part. Like I said last time, whenever this happens, I feel a way, watching it is a little intense. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, oh my goodness. All right. So, price is respecting that fair value gap. It's not closing below. So we got to wait to see what happens. Let's go to trading view for a sec so we can see our entry. So this is what I'm looking at right now. All right, so I'm gonna set it to a 1-to-1 right now just so I can have an alert. So let me set an alert real quick. Okay, price has hit 1-to-1. There we go. Okay, that way I can walk away from the trade, and once price reaches that level, I can come back and check on the trade. So this is how I manage my trades, just so I can have good trade psychology, because watching it is just so unbearable. You can see right now that price is starting to move in our favor, but we want a 1-to-2, and we want to be disciplined, right? As Kobe Bryant said, job's not done. So it's easy to get excited and say, oh, price is going up. Let's not get too excited. Let's be patient and do what we do. So as I did in the last video, I think I'm gonna walk away just to give myself some time to kind of focus. Let me go back to the chart real quick. And yeah, you see price is going, man, heavily in our direction. And right now, you know, a part of you is like, oh my God, just say, okay, yeah, hurry up and go. But if you trade like that, when it starts going against you, you're gonna feel like, let me close the trade, just like that, right? So I don't want no issues. I don't want no problems, guys. I'm gonna walk away and I'm gonna come back when things are playing out. All right, so let me go ahead and just do that. Okay, I just got the notification that price is at a 1-to-1. I was running up the stairs, so I'm a little bit out of breath. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so price is, you know, way above our entry, so that's a good sign. I want to be patient. I always say this, getting to this area, this right here is the hardest part about trading. I say this all the time. When price is very close to your take profit and it starts acting kind of funky, that's when you're like, okay, maybe I should just close. Maybe I should just walk away. But remember, guys, we have to be disciplined and practice good psychology. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Stop playing with me, bro. Man. That looks like there's a fair value gap up there next to, oh, but it's been used already. That's okay. It's been used already. Okay, price is heading towards my, all right. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Everything within me wants to close so badly. It's a little more. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. We hit our first 1-to-2 on this challenge. I don't care what anybody tells you. When you hit take profit, you feel amazing. It's the greatest feeling in the world. I know people tell you to be stoic and not to show emotion when you win, but like, what's the point? We work so hard to get to these levels. We backtest and trade in the dark and, you know, cut off family members and friends and things that we enjoy doing, sacrificing just so we can do these things. And now that it's working, we're supposed to sit there like this? Bro, I'm sorry, that's not me. I'm gonna show my emotion. I'm gonna be happy because it's been a long road. It's been a very long and difficult road. And the hardest part about this has been sticking through it when it wasn't working. So now that it's working, I'm incredibly happy. And if you're doing the same thing, taking the same trades alongside myself, or you're backtesting and things are working out for you, pat yourself on the shoulder. You're great. This trade took us about, what, 7 minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 minutes, and we made $2,000. When we pass this challenge, that'll be in our pocket. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here by saying this. Be proud of yourself, man. It's day 2. Job's not done yet, like Kobe Bryant said, but we're off to a good start. See you in the next one.